But what do you have going on?
Oh, well, actually, on Thursday I left my lights on and I got a boost and it was fine on Thursday, and then I drove it on Friday to work, and then I got off of work and went to the store, and then it wouldn't crank.
What kind of car is it?
It's a 2006 Ford Taurus.
Oh, 6.5.
Mm-hmm.
This thing has a couple of funny, quirky issues, but chances are that you left the lights on and it drained the battery so bad it might have killed one of the cells. The chances are you probably only got a bad battery.
Well, I took it and got the
CarHelpOut.com.
O'Reilly's
It's the
in
convenience.
AutoZone, and they said the battery was like 100% charged.
Oh, wow.
But I hadn't had any problems, out of it not cranking or any kind of problems other than that day I left the battery on. I left my lights on, and then, I hadn't had any problems out of it other than that.
Gotcha. Yeah, those things have one of two things. Now, when you turn the key, what exactly is it doing?
Like, when I turn it, it's like a quick click, just a click,
If it's one click,
mm-hmm.
It could potentially be the starter. If it's multiple clicks, then it's going to be a connection issue. Multiple clicks generally mean dead battery, but if you already had the battery checked, then we can erase that. Believe it or not, there's a fuse box towards the front of the car, and sometimes
CarHelpOut.com.
that a little bit.
It's the convenience.
It'll start up. And that's just with the 2003 through 2006 Ford Taurus.
I told my boyfriend, and he was like, "It couldn't be a fuse." I said, "I don't know. I had a car before, I had a Oldsmobile before, and it did. It was like a fuse to the battery or something. And I told my boyfriend it might be something like that.
It could be. I mean, generally the thing that needs to be done before anybody fixes it is they need to get under there and test the starter with a multimeter. So, like, while you turn the key, check, make sure that you are getting 12 volts to the starter. If you are getting 12 volts to the starter and it's still not starting, then you've got a bad starter. If you're not getting 12 volts, then that's when you kind of backtrack and start going back towards the fuse box and stuff.
Okay. So 12 volts, check and see. They would have to check and see or whatever. Is that what you're saying?
CarHelpOut.com.
And the starter's
It's the
kind of right there
convenience.
on the front of the engine. So.
Well, I appreciate you taking the time to give me some advice on what it could be.
Not a problem.
Okay,
What I do is help where I can.
Okay, so you said maybe it might be the now what were you saying about the fuse or something like that?
It could be a glitch in the fuse box. A lot of Fords have that problem, the Taurus in particular, and it could potentially be the starter as well.
Okay.
Yeah, provided that battery checked out, then those are your next two options with that car.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
All right.
Well,
thank
good
you.
luck with it. Yep. Bye.
Okay, thank you.
Did you know that you can request a professional mobile mechanic service to come to you at any convenient location to fix your car, truck, or van? Why call a tow company? We can help you get back on the road again by putting their knowledge and years of experience to work for you. CarHelpOut.com/location for a local mobile mechanic car repair service near you. And we do pre-purchase inspections on used car buying at any location. CarHelpOut.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.